Ready to supercharge your YouTube Shorts game with automation? Today, we're diving into Zapier to create a workflow that springs into action the moment you upload a new short. First, head over to Zapier and click the Create Zap button. We'll kick things off by connecting Zapier to your YouTube channel. Search for YouTube in the Trigger app search bar. In the Choose Trigger Event drop-down menu, select the New Video in Channel option. This means our Zap will activate every time a new video is published on your channel. Click Continue. Now, connect your YouTube account to Zapier. You might need to sign into Google and grant Zapier the necessary permissions. Click Continue again. Next, you'll need to specify the YouTube channel you want to monitor in the channel field. Either select your channel from the drop-down or enter its ID. Now click Test Trigger to make sure everything's working smoothly. Zapier will fetch a recent video from your channel. Great! Now, let's set up the action. Click the plus button to add an action step. Let's choose X, formerly known as Twitter, as our action app. Search for X and select it. Choose Send Tweet as your action event. This will automatically post a tweet whenever a new short is uploaded. Connect your X account to Zapier, granting the necessary permissions. Craft your tweet. You can include the video title, URL, and relevant hashtags using data from the YouTube trigger. For example, write something like New YouTube Short. Click Continue. Then test action to send a test tweet. If the test is successful, you're all set. Now just toggle the switch at the top to turn your Zap on. Congratulations, your Zap is now active, automatically sharing your new YouTube Shorts on X.